where secrets are revealed. Haunted whispers echoing wide, monsters born nowhere to hide. Dark desires within these walls, answering the tormenting calls. Lightning strikes the skies above, breathing life into the ones unloved. Machines whirring amidst the night, hope and gloom in this eerie light. At the break of night, flashing lights, it's a ghostly sight. Beacons bubbling and chilling sound, creatures waking undead all around. Shadows moving cold and slow, scientists lost in a deadly glow. Lifeless eyes in a wicked trance, nightmares dance in a morbid dance. Undead laboratory, dark and cold, stories of the night here unfold. In the dark where the mad reside, fear and terror intertwined. Tools of horror, tools of dread, bringing life to the already dead. Broken souls stitched and sealed, in this lab where secrets are revealed. Haunted whispers echoing wide, monsters born nowhere to hide. Dark desires within these walls, answering the tormenting calls. Lightning strikes the skies above, breathing life into the ones unloved. Machines whirring amidst the night, hope and gloom in this eerie light. Where secrets are revealed. Haunted laboratory, dark and cold, stories of the night here unfold. In the dark where the mad reside, fear and terror intertwined.